the collection. So now we'll start. And first, I'm going to begin with the band. So the first name, and I got the other one is usually transfer. This is it from Hong Kong to Bay and Korea. And this one goes the cloud, the rain, usually just black. I really got a lot on black. And this is black. What's the reason? There's people there. I got a pink one. And that reason, black is black. The blue got the blue one, the red one, the gray one. So, oh, you are fine. Hidden and stuff. And stuff funny, and I was just getting it. I knew look at them. I was going to go to the restaurant. This is really first. Okay. First, I put it in I didn't put it in the next one. The next one is 5. Oh, sounds so good. That was a start. And then well, already done. Sorry, kind of I'm using a laptop, so I can't see. So, I now I'm going to show how I do use my outfit for today.